Good morning guys, it's a beautiful sunny Friday afternoon and I am at Clontarf Reserve, which is a beautiful little beach in Mosman, and I wanted to do the Spit to Manly or Manly to Spit, whatever you like to call it, walk today. So here I am. I was supposed to start the walk from Spit Bridge, but I could not find the way. I was in the car and I practically lost all the viewpoints starting from the Spit Bridge. So if you want, I think you have to park before crossing the bridge and then walk across the bridge and then start from Ellen something reserve. I will write it down in the description box and also mention it here. So that's where you start from, but I'm starting it from Clontarf Reserve and going ahead to Manly. So yay! Also, I forgot to give my introduction. This is Globetrotting Heels and I am Akanksha. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe to it, and if you like my videos, do not forget to hit the like button, and also follow me on my Instagram. Please, I always update a lot over there.
Slide is how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, this how we ride. One pro, no lead, make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first whistle we go.
So I found this secluded beach on the way. There are like a couple of stairs down here, and there's basically no one here. And I found this all to myself, I think, if no one comes in. But this is like a nice little spot to hang out and cool off for a while. I'm gonna sit here and maybe take some drone shots. This is like so pretty.
If you want to drive, she get what I like getting money, I got time to get it. Talking on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, this how we ride.
This walk is a 10-kilometer walk starting from Spit Bridge to Manly, or doing the reverse from Manly to Spit Bridge. I wanted to start from Manly, but then I decided to go from Spit Bridge and then I could not find the way in. That's why I started from the mid, but I still think it's about 7 kilometers from Clontarf Reserve, where I started from. It's a good long hike, not hilly, it's fine, it's plain, it's marked as grade 3 moderate walk and good for all ages, not good for prams or old age people maybe, but it's a good walk. I think if anyone has a steady fitness level, they can do it, so yay for me.
Get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs, brush my teeth up, wash my face, start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs.
This is the one we are doing. There are other walks here as well, and that's a map, and this is the route. We have reached here, which is Castle Rock. Someone has like taken it off, but we are at Castle Rock and we have to go all the way to Manly. Here. No, I guess here. Yep. This is where we have to go. Yay!
Anything I do is drip. I feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking, I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often, I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids talking, I'm guessing this life.
I've reached a point here which actually takes you either that side, which is the Castle Rock beach, or that side which continues towards the Manly Scenic walkway. I just stopped at the beach, so I'm going to skip Castle Rock beach, but if you want you can spend some time here, and we're going to continue to Manly Scenic walkway.
Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Feel good, feel great, can't complain. Look out my window.
As soon as the bushwalk ends, it opens up to this beautiful spot. It's between the bushes and you can see the crystal clear blue water over there and the cliff edges on this side. Yes, there you go.
Feel good, feel great, can't complain. Look out my window, see birds and planes. Sun's out, some clouds in my...
Looks like I still have about 3.5 kilometers to go. Oh my god, help me. I came so unprepared for this walk. I should have got some food with me, but I did not. I was stupid. Now I'm starving. I can't wait to finish and eat. I'm so crazy.
It'll be a good day. Feel good, feel great, can't complain. Look out my window, see birds and planes. Sun's out, some clouds, it might rain.
Almost to the end of it, and there are so many beautiful beaches on the way. You can't resist but stop. However, I just skipped this one because I'm really hungry now. I have to go back into civilization and in search for some food. I am so hungry. I just had some breakfast and I didn't realize I had to pack some food. Don't forget it. I finished my hike on the way. I took an alternate exit and I am here in Chatswood Shopping Center and I am going to have some food now. So we are here at this Thai place in Chatswood called Chatswood or something? Dodi Padang. And we are having some amazing food. Much needed food that I was craving for since this morning, since I started the walk.
Feel good, feel great, can't complain. Look out my window, see birds and planes.
So we're done with the food and it was amazing. I'm full and I'm really happy with the day. Although I could not do what I had actually gone for, I did not complete the walk, but maybe next time. However, lesson learned, be prepared for any kind of walk. Be prepared with anything on wherever you go.
Touch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs, brush my